how to generate image in Meta AI not working. So if you have generated multiple images within a short period of time, you have to wait for a certain time. So you can only generate like, certain amount of image, because if you generate too much, Meta AI is going to be overloaded. So if you have generated like more than 10 to 20 images like within 20 minutes, then it's going to be overdosed. So wait for like, 10 minutes or 20 minutes and then try to generate again. Check your Wi-Fi speed as well. Sometimes slow Wi-Fi also causes the issue. The next thing is make sure you give it a clear prompt. If you just say like, dog, then it's not going to know anything. If you want to generate the image of a dog, you just have to write generate me a image of a dog. Now what kind of dog you want, you can start describing it like a Dalmatian maybe, or it could be a husky, like that. The more in depth you go, the better the image it's going to generate. Okay, and if you give it like confusing prompt, it's not going to generate you anything. So give it a clear prompt, and as you guys can see, it just created me an image of a dog which looks like Dalmatian and husky at the same time. That's basically what I wanted. Okay, so make sure to give it a clear prompt and make sure your Wi-Fi is strong. Make sure you're not generating too many images within a certain period of time, and a problem should be fixed. And if it's still not generating, the best thing is just delete your WhatsApp, re-download it again. It's going to reset the entire setting and your WhatsApp AI should start to work perfectly again. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.